recording this. This is scary. Look how narrow this is. This is wild. Left. Salamat, ha? My ass hurts. Oh, pagkain. Is that crazy? That's your whole day of work? Like, literally?
Yeah, just giving rides back and forth. Yeah, I know.
Oh, that was a scary one.
Oh, you know what? There wasn't another bike, so.
That was sketch. That was hella sketch. Oh, you know, we gotta wait in this line. So, alright, guys, so they're just so jaded from that crazy.
we are about to go zip lining now. We're skipping, I don't know, like
30, 45 minutes.
yeah, 40 minutes of walking by zip lining. So here, check them out. Let them go. Oh yeah. Sayonara.
Is this the same one?
Oh, bro, it's a different one.
What the heck?
Oh, this is the other one was over there.
Oh, so this is higher?
Yeah. I was so confused why.
We could just walk up.
Well, he was saying that their line was long.
Oh.
This shit looks just as long.
Probably
Trust the
different
tour guide, guys. Trust the tour guide.
Oh, dude, this one's a whole lot.